Hello all. Here you are seeing we are retarget Google Visitor in Facebook Ad Manager and getting good number of sales. I am also running look like Google Visitor audience ad sets and getting good number of sales. Welcome to my channel Paid Thief. I am your honey advertiser. In this video I will show you how to create Google audience. Now you are seeing my Google audience performance. You can see last 30 days Google visitors. We got 44 sales and ROS is 3.08. In 3-day Google visitor audience, we got 20 sales and ROS is 4.32. Last 60-day Google audience, ROS is 1.56 and got 10 sales. I will tell you why I created different day range audiences and what is the purpose of this. Let's go to a audience section. Click to a custom audience, then click to website, then click to next, then click to page view, select day range. I'm going to select 7 days, then click to refine by URL parameter. Here I will add Google and GCLead. GCLead is a Google crawler parameter. Then I will mention Google 7-day. Then click to a create audience. Here we created Google visitor retarget audience. Okay. Let's go to a audience section. Custom audience only. Here is a audience we created recently, Google 7-day. Okay. Now I will show you 44 sale audience. This audience name is Google Visitor in past 30 days. Let's copy this. Audience size is 63. Ready, and I created 2020 30th 2020. Okay, let me show you audience. 30-day Google GCLead. Here is the proof of my target audience. Now I told you why I created different day range Google visitor audience. The purpose of this, I want to confirm which day range is performing well for me. Like 3-day Google audience is performing, 7-day Google audience is performing, 14-day Google audience is performing, 30-day, 60-day, 90-day or 180-day. Suppose 30-day Google visitor is performing, so I will give a good budget of only that ad set and post rest all ad set. Like this, I am getting good number of sales of 30-day day range audience, but 60-day is not performing for me. Even 14-day is also not performing for me. So I post that. In 14-day audience, I already excluded 7-day range audience because it was already running. Same as In 30-day audience, I excluded 14-day audience. In 60-day range audience, I excluded 30-day audience because of overlapping. I think you got my point. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I will show you a new type of audience in next video. Bye. Take care. Hello all. Here you are seeing we are retarget Google Visitor in Facebook Ad Manager and getting good numbers.